Hello everyone, my name is Subhrojit Roy. In this video, I have given to 20 GK question from the SSC previous year question. Very important for your upcoming competitive exam. Then you are must watching video. Then without waste your time, let's start. Question 1. As per census 2011, which of the following streams to migrations has the highest percentage? Option A rural to rural, option B urban to urban, option C rural to urban, option D urban to rural. Option A rural to rural. Importance points. According to census 2011, the stream of migrations with the highest percentage is rural to rural, accounting for 53.84% of total internal migrants. First census conducted in 1872 during Lord Mayo's tenure. First post-independent census held 1951. Question 2. Who was the first president of the All Indian Muslim League founded in 1906? Option A Aga Khan III, option B Muhammad Ali Jinnah, option C Sir Sultan Muhammad Shah, option D Nawab Salimullah Khan. Option A Aga Khan III. Important points. The All Indian Muslim League was established on December 13, 1906 in Dhaka, now the capital of Bangladesh. Question 3. Who was conferred a gold medal in 1968 by the Mexican government for her choreography? Option A Rukmini Arundale, option B Rekha, option C Mrinalini Sarabhai, option D Shobhana Narayan. Option C Mrinalini Sarabhai. Important points. Mrinalini Sarabhai has been awarded by the Indian government with the National Civilian Awards Padma Bhushan in 1992 and the Padma Shri in 1965. Mrinalini Sarabhai specialized in Bharatanatyam, the classical dance form of Tamil Nadu, and Kathakali. Question 4. Name the virus spread by mosquitoes that causes inflammations in the brain. Option A Japanese encephalitis, Francisella tularensis, yellow fever virus, lymphatic filariasis. Option A Japanese encephalitis. Question 5. Ali Ei Ligang, the spring festival, is observed on the first Wednesday of the Phagun month in the Indian state of. Option A Himachal Pradesh, option B Kerala, option C Assam, option D Goa. Option C Assam. Other festival of Assam: Bihu, Ambubachi Mela, Majuli Ras, and Boishagu, Mide Mife, Dihang Patkai, Karam Puja, Tea Festival, Jonbel Mela. Question 6. Which of the following does not come under the power of the governor of a state in India? Executive power, discretionary power, obligatory power, legislative power. Option C obligatory power. Question 7. Which musical instrument is played by Yela Venkateswara Rao, an Indian classical musician and percussionist? Option A Nadaswaram, option B Ghatam, option C Pakwas, option D Mridangam. Option D Mridangam. A mridangam is a double-headed drum used in South Indian classical dance. Other exponent of mridangam U.K. Sivaraman, V.K. Sivaraman, Ranjan Swaminathan, R.V. Raghavan. Question D. DBE is the official language of which neighboring country of India? DBE is the official language of which neighboring country of India? Option A Bhutan, option B Sri Lanka, option C Maldives, option D Myanmar. Option C Maldives. Important points. The national language and official language of Bhutan is Dzongkha language. Dzongkha language. The national language and official language of Sri Lanka is Sinhala and Tamil language. Sinhala and Tamil language. The national language and official language of Myanmar is Burmese language. Question 9. Under which amendment of the Constitution of India was right to property removed from the list of fundamental rights? Option A 44 Amendment, option B 42 Amendment, option C 61st Amendment, option D 52 Amendment. Option A 44 Amendment of the Constitution of India was right to property removed from the list of fundamental rights. Important points. The 61st Amendment of India Constitution lowered the voting age in India from 21 years to 18 years. From 21 years to 18 years. First, the 52 Constitution Amendment introduced the anti-defection law. Through the 10th schedule to curb political defection, promote stability and strengthen party discipline in India. Question 10. Which 5-year plan aimed to achieve self-reliance and aimed to growth with stability? Option A 4th plan, option B 6th plan, option C 7th plan, option D 2nd plan. Option A 4th plan. Option A 4th plan. Aim to achieve self-reliance and aim to growth with stability. Question 11. Natya Shastro, the earliest text dealing with performing arts, was compiled by which saga? Option A Shakya, option B Bharata, option C Valmiki, option D Agastya. Option B Bharata. Natya Shastra, the earliest text dealing with performing arts, was compiled by Bharata. Question 12. Which of the following is the saltiest water body bordering Jordan in the east and Israel in the west? Option A World Ocean, option B Don Jua Pond, option C Dead Sea, option D Great Salt Lake. Option C Dead Sea. Dead Sea is the saltiest water body bordering Jordan in the east and Israel in the west. Question 13. Who was the most famous Shaka ruler known for his inscription at Girnar? Option A Rudradaman, option B Rudrobhuti, option C Meander, option D Demetras. Option A Rudradaman. Rudradaman was the most famous Shaka ruler known for his inscription at Girnar. Question 14. In the game of basketball, each basket shall consist of a pressure release and be a approved metal safety ring dash in inside diameter with a white coordinate 18 inch in length. Option A 19 inch, option B 17, option D 18, option C 20. Option C 18. Question 14. Which among the following belong to the tertiary sector of the Indian economy? Which among the following belong to the tertiary sector of the Indian economy? Option A forestry, option B manufacturing, option D public administration, option C agriculture. Public administration. Public administration, the following belong to the tertiary sector of the Indian economy. Public administration belong to the tertiary sector of the Indian economy. Important points. The tertiary sector or service sector is the part of the economy that provides services rather than producing tangible goods. Example of tertiary sector: retail and wholesale trade, transportation and logistics, financial services, professional and technical services, healthcare and education, hospitality and entertainment. Question 15. The famous classical dance of Tamil Nadu is option A Bharatanatyam, option B Mohiniyattam, option C Kathak, option D Kuchipudi. Classical dance of Tamil Nadu is Bharatanatyam. The famous classical dance of Tamil Nadu is Bharatanatyam. Question 16. Pietra Dura. The inlay techniques of architecture can be found in which of the following monument? Pietra Dura. Option A India Gate, option B Charminar, option C Taj Mahal, option D Gateway of India. Option C Taj Mahal. Pietra Dura. The inlay techniques of architecture can be found in Taj Mahal. Question 7. That is the primary sector of Indian's economy. Banking, agriculture, option C information and technology, option D judiciary. Option B agriculture. Agriculture is the primary sector of the Indian economy. Question 18. The chemical name of table salt is option A hydrogen chloride, option B sodium chloride, option C sodium carbonate, option D sodium hydrogen carbonate, option C sodium carbonate, option C sodium carbonate. The chemical name of table salt is sodium carbonate. Question 19. The green pigment present in leaves is called option A phloem, option B tissue, option C chlorophyll, option D xylem. The green pigment present in leaves is called chlorophyll, option C chlorophyll. Question 20. Which of the following statement is correct in the context of Indian democracy? Option A allows the military to rule the country. Option B allow people to choose their representatives. Option C allows people to take over the country in cases of financial emergency. Option D command people to pay taxes for pilgrimage. Option A allow the military to rule the country. The correct context of Indian democracy. Answer the question in comment section. The book India 2020 is written by option A Pranab Mukherjee, option B Prasan Joshi, option C Ramnath Kovind, option D Abdul Kalam. Thank you so much friend watching this video. Quickly like, comment and share it with your friends and family and subscribe my channel. Enter key and do not forget to click bell icon. Go to the notification. Thank you.